Hello friends, why does my pocket remain empty even after doing more work than required? Have you ever thought that some people earn crores even without a job and some people are able to only survive despite working hard their whole life? This is the question which has shaken the thinking of millions of people. And maybe now it is your turn to change your thinking, to change your destiny. Imagine a person who starts from zero with no money, no recognition, no support but still becomes a millionaire in a few years. Is it just luck? Is this only for special people who know a shortcut? No, this is the story of the mindset that says I can do it. This journey is of those people who do not give up in the face of circumstances. Those who endure hardships, fall but get up again. And they keep going until their pockets are full and their life too is full. Many people think that earning money is just a luck game. But the truth is that wealth is a system. There is a method and above all there is a thought. From zero to million. There is no magic book. But it has all the answers that come to your mind again and again. How do I start? If I don't have resources, can't I do anything? Can anyone become a millionaire from zero even in today's world? This book tells you how you can change your life step by step. How a small mindset hinders the path to building a big empire. How small financial habits gradually take you towards wealth. And how you too, with your passion, discipline and patience, can reach that position where money is in your hands. Not let it control your thoughts. This book is a reality check, a mirror that shows that if you are still living in survival mode, you are losing your true potential. Because becoming a millionaire is not just a matter of bank balance. It is a matter of the thought that says it. I will take more than life. I will live it on my terms. So if you also want to do something big in your life, if you also want people to take you seriously, if you also want that one day you can proudly say to your family, your friends and yourself that yes I did it. So this journey begins now. Are you ready to break the limits? Are you ready to start from zero and become a millionaire? Now is the time to adopt the mindset that leads to millions. Because you came from zero. But you weren't meant to stop there. Should I also create video thumbnail and title based on this? Chapter 1 The Wake Up Call. Why is it important to start today? Real change begins when a person gets tired of his circumstances. When he asks himself this question. Is this my life? Sometimes a small incident, a shock, a painful moment shakes our thinking to its very core. And from there a new human being is born. Of a person who will never be the same again. There was an ordinary man. Grew up in a poor neighborhood. I go to work every day and work hard. But even at the end of the month the pocket would be empty. One day his son asked him, Papa, will we ever be able to become rich? That question went straight to my heart. He decided that day, not anymore, now the times have to change. Change never comes from outside. It bursts from within. Unless a person hates his situation, he will not change anything. Those who are millionaires today, they also started from the same place as you. Zero. The only difference is that he didn't use his circumstances as an excuse. They turned it into fuel. As long as you sleep peacefully, your life will not change. But the day your sleep will be broken due to your poverty. Understand that real awareness begins on that day. If ever you have to meet yourself at some turn, then ask yourself, am I really alive or am I just pretending to be alive? Successful people first face themselves with honesty. He identifies his shortcomings and then works on them. Excuses have no value. The world only sees the results. Any big dream becomes reality only when your hunger is different from others. When you look at yourself and say, I deserve more than this. This awakening, this realization is a point from where a new story of life begins. Every human being has that spark inside him, her that can make him, her one in a million. But most people extinguish that spark in life's problems and some people turn it into a fire. The fire to burn the limits within themselves, to break the comfort zone that has kept them average. There is no shame in starting from zero. It would be a shame to stop there. Your story is yet to unfold, and it begins when you speak the truth to yourself. I don't want anything more from life. Are you ready to take that first step? Chapter 2: The Millionaire Mindset. Change your thinking and your luck will change. The biggest difference in life is decided by your thinking because that thinking creates your world. How do two people reach different conclusions in the same situation? One gives up, the other finds a way. The difference is only of thinking. This is the real power of the millionaire mindset. When a person grows up in poverty, his mind is taught this again and again. Money is the root of evil. Rich people are arrogant. It is beyond our control. Gradually these beliefs settle into our subconscious and without knowing we imprison ourselves in small dreams. But the truth is that money is neither good nor bad. That is just a power that is in your hands. And to control this power, you have to learn to think like a millionaire. This is the thinking of a common man. If only I could get a job somewhere, life would go on. He has the thinking of a millionaire. How do I create value so that I can generate income? Common thinking lives in the comfort zone. Whereas the millionaire mindset embraces discomfort. Because he knows that growth always happens beyond the pen. When you dream big, people call you crazy. But when those dreams come true, the same people come to take inspiration. So the question is not what does the world think? The question is, what do you think about yourself? If you consider yourself ordinary, then your life will also be ordinary. But if you believe that you can do something extraordinary, then that very thought will take you towards a new reality. Millionaire mindset doesn't just mean thinking about making money. This is the thinking of a person who finds opportunity in problems. One who is not afraid to take risks, who thinks long-term and invests the most in himself. Because real wealth is not just a bank balance. Real wealth is knowledge, discipline and the confidence that says I can do anything. Your mind is like a garden. Whatever seeds you sow in it, those are the ones that grow. If you sow the seeds of fear, doubt and excuses, you will reap poverty and regret. But if you sow the seeds of faith, action and positivity, there will definitely be a rain of success in your life. So now the decision is yours. Do you still want to live with the same old thinking? Or is it time to adopt the millionaire mindset that can change the direction of your life? Remember, success does not come from outside. It starts from within. And the day you change your thinking, your destiny will also change. Chapter 3: Set clear financial goals. Give way to your dreams. That will become a reality. Imagine you are sitting in a train but you neither know the name of the station nor the direction of the destination. Will you be able to get anywhere? Probably not. Exactly like that. If you don't have clear goals in your life, then you are just moving without understanding where to go, why to go, and how to reach there. Often people say, I want to become rich. But when he is asked how rich is he? Till when? In what ways? So they don't have any answer. This is where the real game is lost, because wild dreams never become real goals, and without real goals there is never real success. Successful people do not dream. He creates blueprints for those dreams. He knows what he wants in a year. Where do you want to reach in 5 years, and what do you need to do every month and every week? Their goals are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Because clarity gives confidence, and confidence leads to action. When you set clear goals, your mind starts working like a GPS. By cutting off every distraction, it works in the same direction where you have sent it the signal. This is why people with a millionaire mindset treat goal setting like a holy ritual. Now the question arises, how to create such a goal which will lead you towards becoming rich. First, understand your why. Why do you want to be rich? Is it just for money or to give a better life to your family? When your goal is connected to a deep emotion, it is no longer just a wish. He sets the fire inside you. Then divide that dream into small actionable steps. Suppose your dream is to earn 1 crore rupees. Now think how much you will have to earn every year, every month, every week, and then to get that income, what skills will you have to learn, what habits will you have to develop, and what sacrifices will you have to make. Most people get left behind because they have no roadmap or deadline. He'll just see what happens. Live in the mindset. But the millionaire mindset says, I will decide what I want and take action towards it. Goal setting isn't just a matter of writing. This is a process that is seen, felt, and lived every day. Every morning, read over your goals, visualize them, and ask yourself the same question. Am I moving one step closer to that destination today? Because when dreams get name, time, and direction, only then they take flight. Now you have to decide whether you want to just think or you really want to achieve something. Because those who have put their goals on paper, definitely achieve them in life. Do you also want to give direction to your dreams now? Chapter 4: Save first, spend later. The first habit of wealth. Most people are so busy making money that they forget to save money, and then at the end of the month they ask themselves the same question. I don't know where the money went. In fact, learning the art of saving money is more important than earning money. Because money that is not saved is not earned. The truth is that every person gets a chance to earn money. But only he becomes rich who knows how to save money. And this is possible only when you first save a part of your income for yourself and fulfill your needs with the rest. But alas, our conditioning teaches us otherwise. Spend first, and if something is left, then save it. Because of this mindset, millions of people live their entire lives in survival mode. The millionaire mindset thinks the opposite. Pay yourself first, then the rest of the world. This does not mean that you become selfish. This means that you become responsible for your future. When you put a fixed amount every month into your savings or investments, you don't just save money. You develop self-discipline and self-respect. Because money isn't just numbers. This is a reflection of your priorities. Imagine if you start setting aside just 20% of your income every month. Then in a year you will have a backup that will not only be useful in emergencies but will also become a gateway to future investments. The habit of saving is like a muscle. It seems a little difficult in the beginning, but with consistency it becomes your biggest strength. Those who have made crores started it with a small saving habit. No one builds huge wealth overnight. It is made of smart decisions every day. So now the next time you get your salary or any income, first of all remember one simple rule. Don't save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. Money will work for you only when you learn to respect it. And respect starts when you start giving priority to your earnings and not luxury. Remember, saving is not just a money habit. This is the richness of mindset. And this habit forms the financial base on which a building worth grows is constructed. Chapter 5 Build multiple income sources. Choose many paths, not just one. In today's world, depending on just one income source, it is just like building an entire house on a single pillar. Even a slight shock would make everything collapse. Gone are the days when people worked in one job their entire life and waited for retirement. Now is the era of financial freedom, and that freedom comes when you have multiple income streams. Imagine, if your primary job or business closes down for some reason and you don't have any other source of income, then the stability of your entire life can be shaken in one go. But if you have not one, not two, but three sources of income, then you are not only safe but you also have the real power to create wealth. People with a millionaire mindset understand this principle very quickly. He knows that money doesn't come from one place, it is called from many doors. There can be many types of income streams. An active income which you earn through your hard work like salary or freelancing. The second is passive income such as rent, dividends, affiliate marketing or earnings from digital products which comes to you even while you sleep. There is no need to make everything huge in the beginning. Your second source may be a small skill like content writing, stock trading, video editing or a side business. But when you grow it with consistency, it can even surpass your primary income in a few years. Even a little extra income every month, if invested in the right place, can change your life through compounding. This is the reason why rich people never remain dependent on a single source. He knows that security comes from diversification. If one hand is losing income, the other hand should handle it. If one stream goes dry, the other will keep you in the flow. In today's digital age, it's easier than ever to create multiple income streams. All it takes is mindset and initiative. There are many ways to monetize whatever knowledge or talent you have. Just need to get started. When you create multiple income sources, the money starts working for you. Not that you run after money. Remember, a person who earns a lot is not rich. A rich person is one who earns from many places. Chapter 6 Invest smartly. Don't earn money. Increase it. Earning money is an art. But increasing that money and multiplying it is real wealth creation. Many people put all their emphasis on income. But we forget that unless the money is invested, it will be just a reward for hard work. There will never be freedom for the future. Imagine what would happen if you save some amount every month but just let it sit in the bank. Inflation will slowly eat away its value. What is available for 100 rupees today will probably be available for 120 rupees after 2 years. So is your money growing at the same pace. This thinking takes you towards investor mindset, where you not only earn income but also learn to multiply that income. Smart investing does not mean blindly investing money in the stock market on the advice of a friend. Smart investing means understanding your risk and making a solid plan according to your goals. Millionaire mindset says never let money sit idle, put it to work. Stock market, mutual funds, SIPs, real estate, digital assets, startups. There are many avenues of investment in today's times. It is important that you choose the right path for yourself and first invest in knowledge because knowledge is the safest investment. There is no loss from it, nor does it lead to theft. Before starting any investment, think whether it is long-term or short-term. How much risk is there in this? How much returns can be expected, and most importantly, am I emotionally stable in this decision or am I just driven by fear or greed? Investing is a game of patience. The seed you sow today becomes a tree tomorrow. But if you uproot the seed every week and check to see if anything has happened or not, then neither will the tree grow nor will you get any fruit. This is the reason why successful people treat investing as a disciplined habit and not a get-rich-quick scheme. A day will come when your invested money will give you such a return that whether you work or not, your lifestyle will remain intact. And that's where financial freedom begins. Imagine a time when you are not working to earn money but money is working for you. This is real wealth. So if you don't learn smart investing, then you are just spending the money you earn. But if you have grasped the power of investment, then you are slowly moving in the right direction to becoming a millionaire. Failures are lessons from the chapter Fall, Break, but don't stop. Every person who has achieved something big in his life, he had given up badly at some point. But defeat doesn't always have to be the end. Sometimes that is the beginning because failure is not an alternative to success. That's part of it. This is his way. The journey from zero to millionaire is not a simple one. The roads in this are also crooked. There are potholes and dark turns too. But only those who do not stop reach the end. Many times when you work hard on something and still don't get results, it feels like everything is over. But that's where the real growth begins. Because those failures teach you what no book, no seminar or no motivational speech can teach. A person with a millionaire mindset is not afraid of failure. He analyzes her. He wonders what went wrong this time. Where can we improve? Am I ready to try again? Because the one who learns to get up after falling once, stands stronger the next time. Every successful person in the world has become a part of joke at some time or the other. Someone has underestimated him. Someone has said that it is beyond your capacity. But he took those words not to his heart but to his mind and used them as fuel. Failure makes you strong, humble and most importantly, real. People who are afraid of failure never take the risk of doing something big, and those who don't take risks live the same life they get. Not what he deserves. Imagine if a child, after falling repeatedly while trying to walk, says that he will not try again. Will he ever be able to walk? Similarly, it is natural to have falls in your financial journey too. There will be losses, wrong decisions will be made. Some investments will sink. But this is all part of the greater reward that awaits you ahead. Real failure is when you give up. But when you fight even after losing, then you become a winner. Every setback is a lesson on the path to becoming a millionaire. This is a chance to improve yourself further. So next time when life knocks you down, just remember one thing. I will get up again, and this time I will walk faster than before. Chapter at Wealth as a Habit. Wealth is not a goal. It is a habit. People often think that to become a millionaire one needs to have a big idea or hit a jackpot. But the truth is that wealth is not built in a day. It is made up of small everyday habits. Rich people are not rich because they have money. They are rich because they have adopted habits that lead them to consistent wealth. A common man scrolls his mobile as soon as he wakes up in the morning, wastes time on social media and lives in reactive mode all day long. Whereas a person with a millionaire mindset starts his day with a purpose. By making a plan, with priorities. He knows that his most valuable asset is his time. Wealth habits are not just about managing money. This means disciplining your mind, controlling your emotions, and becoming a little better every day. Be it daily budgeting, regular savings, learning skills, studying or reviewing your goals frequently. All these little habits compound and gives massive results over time. This is the